Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 6 how to add a biography on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you are signed into the account, then go to profile, click on edit profile, and now we are ready to add a biography up to 160 characters. So I'll just type computer science videos, maybe a couple of hashtags such as video creator, save. So now we have the biography on screen beneath the username and display name. Go to Safari, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.